Hello again. I thought I'd give you a bird's eye view of my furbies. Oh, that's the other thing. She keeps on saying bananas lately. That's the sweater one. You just come over here and you can see Dada. There you go. They've gone quiet now. Yeah, Dada's always hungry. It was actually quite funny a few days ago because I had this set up, and in the order that I woke them up, they went asleep in the same order. I think one of them's fallen asleep already. They don't like it, you know, if you re-wake them up. I'm sure they get more grumpy. Come round here so you can see the others here. See my big shadow in the background. There you go, there's the baby furbling. She's so sweet. And actually, I think the original furbling, not sure, actually responded. Oh, she's always hungry. But if I feed her too many times, that's Dada, she'll turn into the fat, grumpy one. Well, not grumpy one, but I didn't like that personality. Oh. See, Dada and Kibu respond to each other a lot more than the others. Although Shah will respond to the others, but not as much. He's going to sleep now. Oh well. There's my bird's eye view. Show you the different angles and everything. Okay then. Hope you enjoyed my video. Have a good evening. And may God go with you. Good night.